Why use app blockers for productivity?
App blockers help you stay focused by restricting access to distracting apps or websites. By limiting temptations, you can maintain deep concentration and accomplish tasks more efficiently. Whether studying, working from home, or simply trying to reduce screen time, app blockers are powerful tools for reclaiming your attention and boosting your productivity throughout the day.
Choosing the right app blocker.
Popular app blockers for Windows include Cold Turkey, Freedom, and Focus Me. On Mac, options like Focus, Freedom, and Self-Control are widely used. When choosing a blocker, consider features such as scheduling, password protection, and the ability to block both apps and websites. Most offer free trials, so experimenting can help you find the best fit.
Installing an app blocker on Windows.
Download your chosen app blocker from its official website. Run the installer, follow the on-screen prompts, and grant any necessary permissions. Once installed, open the program and familiarize yourself with its interface. Many tools offer tutorials to help you get started quickly with setting up your first block sessions.
Setting up app blocking on Mac.
After downloading your selected blocker, open the installer and move the application to your Applications folder. You may need to grant additional permissions in your Mac's security and privacy settings. Launch the app to begin configuring which apps or websites you want to block, and set up your preferred focus schedule.
Configuring blocking schedules and preferences.
Most app blockers let you create custom block lists and set schedules for focused work. Add distracting apps or websites to your block list, then choose times for your sessions, like during work hours or study periods. Some blockers offer features such as break timers, reports on usage, and password protection for extra commitment.
Tips for maximizing results.
Start small by blocking your biggest distractions and gradually increase your blocked list as needed. Pair app blocking with other productivity strategies, like the Pomodoro technique or goal setting, for best results. Remember to review your progress regularly and adjust your blocking schedules to match your evolving needs.